Hi everyone, my paper pumpkin just arrived, so I thought we would take a look at it. This is the Farmhouse Florals August 2025 paper pumpkin kit. This one was going to come with 2 stamp sets. I'm interested to see those. Oh, here they are, right there. I'm going to show you these in a second because I want to get the black and whites for that. Our spot is Secret Sea. Very excited about that. And I've been on vacation, so I haven't seen sneak peeks of this one. So that's kind of fun. Oh, this is very glary, so you're probably not going to see that. Let's open this up. Okay, I love Secret Sea. It is really a fun color. A lot of people think it looks very black. It is blue. It's darker than navy. It has a little tiny bit of a greenish to it. It reminds me of Payne's Gray if you're a painter. All right, these are fun images. Look at those. Okay, so here is Farmhouse Florals. There are 3 designs, and here are the stamp sets. 3 designs, 3 each of each, so 9 cards. The envelopes are all the same, I'm seeing, but you know, I'm like trying to do 2 things at once here. Let's look at these stamps. Okay, so if you're not familiar, they give you this black and white of the stamps. Usually there's just 1 set. There's 2 today, and you can fold it in half and like put some adhesive on there and make a little pocket, which is what I like to do with mine, and then I put them in a little folder. So you've got You're Simply the Best. Thank you for your constant friendship and listening ear. That's nice. Always here for you. For a great friend, a cute little teapot and some florals that you could probably put coming out of that teapot, and then some individual florals and a cute little speck, which reminds me of the envelope. And then on the back, even more things. Look at that. For you, thank you, cute pattern. Just a note, you are loved to say. So just a note to say you are loved, or just a note to say forever your friend. Good friends are hard to find. I'm so glad we found each other. Hello, another floral, and XOXO. Super cute. These are really nice sentiments to have. I like these. All right, let's look at this. Typewriter and a bag and some florals. This window is beautiful. This looks like something I'll want to watercolor in my watercolor journal. In fact, all of this looks like something I'd want to watercolor in my watercolor journal. Super cute florals. Cute typewriter. All right, let's take a look. We've got linen thread, which is one of my favorite things. And these are the envelopes. Really cute pattern. I love, like I said, I love Secret Sea. If you saw it in person, maybe you'd realize it's not quite black. It's not quite navy. It's just a really pretty color. Okay. Here are the card bases. So you get 3 each of 3 designs. Here's the bag. And then it looks like what you do, oh cute. So it looks like what you do is you layer the coordinating die cut on top so that it's got a little dimension, and then poke some more flowers. So you've got some background flowers, and then you put the other one on top to kind of give a dimensional look to this cute little bag. And then there's a little tag that you add and say whatever you want to say on that tag. Very cute. Okay, let's look at the next one. This one, oh, this one doesn't have, this is just a pattern. It's got a little, this paper's pretty. It's actually, I don't know if you remember, a long time ago we used to have a paper collection called Naturals that had like little specks in it. This paper kind of feels and looks like that. It's a little different, and the speckles are on the inside and outside. So it's really actually a really nice paper. So this one is for the window. So you're going to stamp, it looks like you're going to stamp that pattern border across the bottom, and then add that really pretty window punch out. Where to go here? That is really pretty. So you're going to add that on top of your stamping, and then you're going to add a greeting with some of these labels right here. So you've got these little tag labels for the bag. You've got, and they give you an extra one. There's only 3 of each, but they're giving you 4 just in case you make a boo-boo, I guess. You could save it on for a different project. So then that's going to go up here. Really cute. And then the typewriter. Okay, so, oh, this has got like a torn edge. So the typewriter, you're going to stamp your greeting on the paper that's coming out of the typewriter. And then you're going to add some of these additional floral die cuts and the typewriter on top. Now, you could always save this typewriter and stamp right on here and then make another card here. So you got some options. It is getting dark, everyone. I just want to know that a storm is coming. It is not time, well, it's 5 o'clock, but normally it's pretty bright here till like 7, and I can see the sky is really turning dark, so my room is really dark. It's getting dark. All right, I'm gonna finish this before I hear a thunderclap. Okay, really pretty. So as you know, I get Paper Pumpkin every month. Here are the dimensionals to pop up these things. I get Paper Pumpkin every month. I always get one for myself, but I get extras in case people have missed one and they say, oh, I saw this one. I wish I would have gotten it. I didn't. Please help me out, Beth. I will help you out. I'll try to help you out. Sometimes they sell out really fast. You can see what past kits I have on my blog, bethspapercuts.com. Click the garage sale tab and you'll see if I have some of the older ones from before that you missed. I also have a list of older stamp sets available for sale on my blog as well, so you can ask about those. And then obviously I just got this one, so I haven't sold out of this one yet. And then I also bring these to my events so people can pick them up at events as well. So this one is a really pretty one. I love the look of it because I am a watercolor, so that one is, to me, is super beautiful. And I will be copying these in my watercolor journal. Maybe I'll show them here. I don't normally show my watercolor journal with my stamping stuff, but maybe I will, because those are just gorgeous. They're so inspirational. And as a lot of things at Stampin' Up! Paper and things are inspirational, it is really getting dark. So before this goes even darker, I am gonna say goodbye. Thanks so much for watching. Contact me if you missed it and you wish you still can get it. And if you don't, you want to subscribe so you never miss a month. I'll put a link in the video description so you can subscribe to Paper Pumpkin and never miss a month. Bye.